Ladies and gents, these were the girls who competed for the crown of Queen of the Night. Now, it's time to know who the winner is. Ladies, when I announce the winner, do not sit down just yet and stay on the stage. DJ, drum roll, please. Tina, Maria, Jonah, and Babette have competed for the crown of Queen of the Night. However, she is the official Queen of the Night. Give it up for Maria! Please stay on stage and claim your prize. Pwede rin lumampa, show us. Consolation prize, but wait, aba. Alam niyo, ang hirap, ito yung maganda dito kahit hindi ka nanalo, maraming gustong magbigay ng consolation prizes. Ayan. Okay, and the bosses are just currently discussing. Now, also, we will be crowning the King of the Night. So while the ladies are here, umakyat muna kayo on stage. Ramil, JR, Joel, and Justin! As you can see, the ladies are getting their consolation prizes. Thank you so much, ladies. You may now sit down. Gusto ko yung nasa gitna tayo. Gusto niyo, ipakita nyo, these are what you might win. Ladies and gents, between Ramil, JR, Joel, and Justin, the official King of the Night is... Congratulations, Justin! At bakit ka uwi? Take a picture. Ayan, may nagpo-photo sa inyo. Tingin lang kayo sa mga nagka-camera. Claim your prizes. By the way, even if you are not crowned the King of the Night, you get your consolation prize. Palakpakan natin ang King of the Night. You may now settle down, gentlemen. I also have on me the results. Oh, take a picture. May I please call on Ramel and Rolly on stage. Ramel and Rolly, the last two competitors of our singing contest.
Magulo ba? Pagkariyan na, oh.